Welcome or welcome back to my little creative corner of the internet. And welcome to day 2 of our Junk Journal January challenge. So let's grab our junk journals and our ephemera and crafting stuff and let's get creative together. First, let's grab a good cup of coffee. For today's prompt, which is mood board, I decided to print out a bunch of pictures I saved on Pinterest for my 2026 kind of mood board and vision board I wanted to create for the upcoming new year. And I decided to just use that as the theme for today's prompt to also create a mood board in the junk journal. I first did flip a bit around wildly to find the right space because I wanted a big page with a lot of space on it. So I decided on this wintry theme and music sheet kind of situation. I really love the beginning of those kind of challenges as we have a bunch of different empty pages to choose from. Later down the line it always gets a bit harder to decide which one is the right page for the right prompt when there aren't as many options left, but for now there's so much possibilities. So I absolutely love that. And some of you asked in the comments of yesterday's video, I guess, or somewhere, how many pages my journal has. I have 30 pages in my junk journal, so nearly enough space for a double spread for each day. So backside and front side are like 30 sheets of paper. So like 60 pages in a way, if you don't count a double spread as one. But I will use mostly, I guess, the pages as a double spread, so there are 30 of them, and I just have to figure out how I get the 31st spread prompt into the journal. We will see how that works, and sometimes I maybe also just do one-sided spread for a day, so I guess it will work out, or you always have the possibility to glue some more pages into the journal as you go. And also, you could also, I don't know, add another signature to the journal if needed or something. But I like to just keep in mind the roughly days of the challenge when I make a journal designated for one specific point, that I don't have to add too much spreads and pages later on. And here I'm just gluing down the mood board pages or pictures. Like, that's pretty self-explanatory, so I thought it would be the perfect space to talk a bit about the journal pages. How are you guys all doing? How is the challenge going for you? And I hope you are all had a lovely start to this new year. I hope you're enjoying the creative reset for 2026. I'm really loving and enjoying the creative time on a daily basis, just taking some time out of the day to get creative and do some personal projects like these feels kind of nice to know you've done something in a way for yourself. It's kind of cool. And here I decided to also add 2026 to the spread to make sure to incorporate that this would be a mood board kind of for the whole year. A little bit of a title will be added to the spread later on as well, as kind of the theme for the mood board or the theme for the year. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's little collage moodboard spread. If you did, a thumbs up would make me really happy. And if you want to join me on this creative adventure and many more creative adventures to come, hit the subscribe button down below. See you very soon. Until then, happy creating.